Hello, good morning, dear student. Hope all you're fine. So today I'll discuss our second part of the lessons that yesterday I already discussed about the uh, two continent, about the Asia, the largest continent of the world, and the second largest continent I discuss about Africa. So today I'll discuss about the others continent. So stay with me. I'll discuss partly. So since see today I'll discuss about the North America. North America is one of the continent, uh, one of the seven continent. So North America is the third largest continent of the world. So that is something map about the North America. These portions, this portion is the North America. So North America, you see, this bounded by, it is not south, west, east. North America is bounded by oceans. That's Arctic Ocean in the north side. We'll get the north side of this North America. We'll get the Arctic Oceans. So in the east side there is Atlantic Oceans. In the west side there is Pacific Oceans. So this North America, which is connected with the a narrow stripe of land that is known as the Isthmus of Panama, saying this is connected. It's North America, this is connected with the South America, which is a narrow stripe of land which both sides is the seas there, that is known as the Isthmus of Panama. Then, and this is the North America, which is separate from the separate from the South America, that is called the Panama Canal, which make the separate the North America from the South America. That is a canal, that is an artificial canal which is digging by the peoples. So this is connected. This is separate from the North America to South America. So it is the North America where is the uh, Mount McKinley are exist there. So this is something about North America. So now we'll discuss about the South America. See, this is something map about the uh, South America. So it is South America, which is it is fourth largest continent of the world. So this is bounded by all sides. There is oceans. So here is the uh, world longest mountain range, that is Andes mountain, are found in the South America inland. So where there is a largest river, that is we know about Amazon river, also it is here exist, and this is called the Amazon river. Largest river are here also there. So also one thickest forest, that is known as the Amazon rainforest, also exists here. So this is something about the South America. Now come to the fifth largest continent, that is called the Antarctica. So this Antarctica is called the frozen or white continent, say, because permanently covered with the ice. So this is all part of these oceans are covered with the ice. That's why called the white continent or the frozen continent. So here is saying that it is the world coldest part where 75% of the ice sheet are covered with covered of the all over the world. 75% of the ice sheet are covered all over the world is here. That is Antarctica. So there is no permanent living are there. Peoples are not permanently living here. So it is the continent where only we found the few animals are living there. Since these are known as these are the animals are penguin, whale, and seal. These are the animals we are found in this continent. So these are something about the North America, South America, and the Antarctica. So hopefully you got this few idea from this lesson. So If any doubt is there, so you can contact with me or you can share with me. Thank you.